Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this cute ponytail look. So if you're interested, continue watching. In this video, I will be working with Beauty Forever Hair Company. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I received. So in this bag, I got a wig cap, a melt band, some eyelashes, a makeup brush, and 3 bundles. These bundles were body wave bundles in 24 inches, and I got 3 of them. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks, and they were nice and soft in case you guys are wondering. So yeah, we're gonna get into this hairstyle. So my hair was already washed and blow dried, so I'm just going to take it out and I'm going to comb it through in a ponytail to see where exactly I want my ponytail to be. And once I figured out where the ponytail is going to be, I am going to do a part from ear to ear, and I'm going to section the back off and just put it up in one to just keep it out my way. So I'm going to be working with the front first, and I'm just going to make a slight part on the side, and that's where I'm going to have the elastic band design. So I'm just going to make a part right down the middle of that section, and I'm just combing out my sideburns. So I will be going in with my ebon edge control just to make my part more clean. Then I'll be making 3 sections. So there's going to be 3 rows of elastic bands. So I am parting the hair down into 3 sections. And I'm going to be working with the front section first. So I'm going to put away the last 2 sections and section this part back into 2. So I will be using my Style Factor edge control, and I'm putting that all around that first section and using a small black elastic band to tie it up. And I'll be doing the same thing with the next piece on top. And I decided to do like a crisscross design, so I'm basically just doing this in 3 rows.
Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Let me drive that. Yeah, I can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent of the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now?
So once I finished my little section of elastic bands, I'm gonna go ahead and comb out all the hairs that I'll be using for like baby hairs and sideburns and all that good stuff. Then I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and just to press out the top layer of my hair. That way my ponytail could be nice and smooth, because I didn't want to flat iron the entire thing. Once that's done, I'm going to remove the band from the back and just take everything and put it up into a ponytail. So I will be using my blue Eco Styling gel. This gel is a sport gel, just in case you're wondering. So I'm going to apply that all over my hair, and then I will be combing it through, catching the ponytail back up. Then I'll be going in with my Wrap It Up strips to allow my hair to dry and lay flat. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and braid my ponytail. I will be doing an invisible ponytail. So I'm going to go ahead and make a braid and then use a small black elastic band to hold the end together. Once that's done, I will be going in with my first bundle. I will be using 2 bundles, and I am doing them doubled. So it will be doubled going all the way to the top, and I literally used 2 full bundles for this ponytail. So for this ponytail, I'm just going to be sewing the hair onto the braid, and I'm going to do this all the way to the top. So once I reached about halfway through, that's when the first bundle finished, and I am now starting the second bundle.
And you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah.
Now that my ponytail is sewed on, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the strips because my hair is basically dried at this point. And then I'm going to take a small piece from the back of the ponytail to use as my wrap to cover my hairband. I did use some of my gel to smoothen out this wrap portion, and I did add a bit more at the ending, and I also went in with my blow dryer to dry it, that way it stays in place. Now I'm going in with my BioSilk, and I am just going to use it on the ponytail. And I'm just spreading it through the hair, and I'm getting the hair ready to curl. So I am going in with my Babyliss curling iron to just give the hair some drop curls. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. And you brought the days to my forever. Yeah, forever. I can't put it in words. No, no, no. You brought the days to my nights. Something you do to my heart. Something you do, girl. I can't explain it. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Yeah. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. You brought the days to my nights. And so this is how my ponytail is looking with the curls. I loved it. Super cute. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my mini flat iron to curl my edges. And then I'll be going in with my Style Factor Edge Control to just swoop them the way I want them to be. So now I am just going to go in with my Paul Mitchell Shine Spray, and I'm going to spray that all over my hair. And then, of course, my oil sheen for that finishing touch. And so this is how it's looking, guys. We love this. I'm going to say we love this because this ponytail was so nice. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair Company for sending over these bundles. This hair was so nice and soft. As you guys can see it. You guys can just tell. So if you are interested, the hair details will be down in my description box below. So go ahead, check them out, get you some bundles because that's what we're working with now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys have tried it or if you guys are going to try it. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.